everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 6th to the 10th of June 2022 on Monday. Lindiwe and Bukhosi cycle each other while corporates plan to become a better man goes left on Tuesday. The Dikana and Hlope families are well and truly bound together while corporates plan to reunite amid with the resistance on Wednesday. The Hlopes host a party for the Dikanas, but it doesn't go as planned on Thursday. A new arrival catches Zolani off guard and Zodwa lays down the law for Cobra on Friday. Lindiwe leaves Numafu with the egg on her face and Zolani's Cupid arrow misses its target. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.